Stop scrolling. YouTube has finally brought back direct messaging, but most people don't know where to find it. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use it, step by step. Let's get started.
So, step number 1. First, update your YouTube app to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Now open the YouTube app and sign into your account. Step 3. Go to the section where the new messaging feature is available on your account. If it is enabled for you, you will see the option to start or access conversations. Then, step 4. Select the person or creator you want to message. Tap the message button, type your message and press send. Even you can copy the link and send it to your friend through WhatsApp or any other app. Then, step 5. Once you have sent the message request or the other person will receive it and open it, they can either accept or decline your request. If they accept it, you will be able to chat with each other normally and exchange messages directly. Then we have the step 6. If you don't see the messaging option yet, YouTube is rolling out this feature gradually, so it may become available on your account later. So here is the bonus tip. If you don't have this feature yet but still want to try it, you can use a VPN. I am currently using the United Kingdom proxy on my VPN, and this messaging feature is available there on my account. Keep in mind that this doesn't guarantee it will work for everyone, since YouTube often rolls out new features gradually based on the account and region. And that is how you can use YouTube's new direct messaging feature. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more YouTube updates, and let me know in the comments whether you have received this feature yet. Thanks for watching.